My skin glows if I drink gallon of water, or I lose weight if I drink gallon of water, or I relieve from my headaches and body pains. You want to know answers to these questions? Stay tuned until the end of the video. And yeah, let's begin into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Glory. And here I am with you with another challenge video, drinking a gallon of water for 7 days. So a gallon is equal to 3.7 liters. So for adults, we can take only 2 liters, 2.5 liters is more than enough for our body. And the people who works a lot, people who sweats a lot, they can take 3 to 4 liters of water. But people who are sitting at home and working in front of laptop, no physical activities, they can take 2 liters of water every day, and that is more than enough, guys. So here I am taking a challenge, like 3 liters is enough for me, because I'm not working, I'm not physically working, I'm just working in front of laptop. So I'm going to drink 3 liters of water, that is little bit less for a gallon. So I'm going to drink 3 liters of water every day, and let me see how my body is going to react. Yes, I want to take a challenge, guys. So presently my skin looks like this, and I have pimples and I have marks. Now my body weight is 55 kilos, and let me see, guys, after 1 week I'm going to check one more time after 1 week, and let me see how my body is going to react. And this is 1 liter of bottle. I'm going to drink half liter. Half bottle is over, guys, and whenever I'm going to drink water, I'm going to film it, and let me see after 7 days how it is going to react on my skin. Bye. Okay, I started searching on the internet what are the uses if you drink so much of water intake. So it says that should you drink 3 liters of water per day? I just asked a question, and it says that it's no secret that water is vital to your health. In fact, water comprises to 45 to 70% of your body weight and plays a key role in heart health, weight management, physical performance, and brain function. Drinking too much of water can harm your health. What I'm going to do, I'm going to research on every day for these 7 days. So I will tell you guys what is my experience. Please stay tuned. And yeah, for now, hello everyone, and this is second day of challenge. So I drank 3 liters of water yesterday successfully. So today I just woke up, and I'm going to drink I researched something today, supports overall health. Staying well hydrated is incredibly important, as water is needed for a variety of body processes and central to nearly every aspect of health and wellness. In particular, this fluid regulates body temperature, transport nutrients, maintain brain function, and enhance physical performance. Not getting enough water can be detrimental, potentially causing side effects like nausea, fatigue, constipation, headaches, and dizziness. Therefore, drinking 3 liters of water per day may help you meet your hydration needs to support better health. That is what today's research, guys. See you again. Bye. Hello everyone, good morning, and this is the third day of my challenge. I just finished my workout, and this is the 1 liter of bottle I'm going to drink. This is the 5th day of my challenge. And actually, guys, and you should see my skin, how it is glowing. And this is the 5th day of my challenge, and see how my skin is looking. I did not apply anything on my face. I just washed my face, and we just started. Guys, welcome back to today's research. And yeah, today's research is about may improve your skin health. So some research suggests that drinking more water can help keep your skin supple and smooth. For example, a month-long study in 49 people determined that increasing water intake by 2 liters per day improved skin hydration. Additionally, a review of 6 studies found that increased water intake reduced dryness and roughness, increased skin elasticity, and enhanced hydration. So we'll see summary. Drinking more water may promote healthy skin by increasing hydration and elasticity while reducing roughness and dryness. And let's see 3 more days to go. Hello everyone, and this is the 5th day of my challenge. Hello everyone, welcome to 5th day research. Other benefits when you take excess of water. Drinking more water may offer several other benefits as well, including increased regularity, kidney stone prevention, headache relief, mood improvement, enhanced athletic ability. Okay, increased regularity means multiple studies associate low water intake with a high risk of constipation, such as drinking more water may promote bowel movements. People who have constipation, it will be very easy to you. So kidney stone prevention. So on review of 9 studies, tied higher fluid intake to a lower risk of kidney stones. Headache relief. Research suggests that drinking more water can alleviate headaches caused by dehydration or fluid loss. Definitely you can increase your endurance. That is what it says, and it is like a very good research, guys. And even I am knowing so many things if you drink so much of water. So I did not know anything. So I learned so much in this, and 2 more days to go, guys, and see you. So for now, this is 6th day. So welcome to 6th day research. So let's see what it says. May not be the right amount for everyone. So let's see what it says. While drinking more water may aid your health, 3 liters may not be the right amount for everyone. So currently no official recommendations exist for intake of plain water alone. The amount you need is based on several factors such as age, gender, and activity level. However, there are recommendations for total water intake, which includes water consumed through all foods and beverages such as plain water, fruits and vegetables. A total daily intake of around 2.7 liters for women and 3.7 liters for men can meet most adults' needs. So women can take 2.7 liters and men can take 3.7 liters, and that is more than enough. Depending upon the other foods and beverages you consume, you may not need to drink 3 liters of water per day to meet your fluid requirements. Simply listening to your body and drinking when you feel thirsty is one of the best ways to ensure that you are staying hydrated. In fact, most people can meet their daily needs by drinking water when they are thirsty. So notably, some individuals such as athletes and manual laborers may need more 3 liters of water per day. And if you're taking 2.7 liters of water daily, and no need to think about your water intake, and you are good to go. And that's all about today's research, guys. And 1 more day to go. Tomorrow is my last day of challenge, and I'm going to review on 8th day. Stay tuned. And for now, I'm going to drink. So 1 more liter left. Good morning, and today is the 7th day of my challenge. Hello everyone, welcome back to today's research, and today is the 7th day, guys, and yes, today is my last day of my challenge, and I'm so happy that I'm going to complete 7 days of challenge. And let's begin to today's research. Research is about drinking too much of water can be dangerous. So let's see what they said. Keep in mind that excessive water intake can be dangerous. Drinking too much of water can disrupt your body's electrolyte balance, leading to hyponatremia or low levels of sodium in your body. Hyponatremia means it decreases your sodium levels in your body. Symptoms of hyponatremia includes weakness, confusion, nausea, vomiting, and severe cases it may lead to death. So for this reason, it's important to spread your water intake throughout the day rather than drink it all in a single sitting. Additionally, be sure to listen to your body and adjust your water intake accordingly if you're feeling unwell. So what they're saying, drinking too much of water can be dangerous to your body. So whenever your body is asking for water, whenever you're feeling thirsty, just take water at that time, and that is more than enough. Hello guys, and this is my 8th day. I successfully complete 7 days of challenge. So I'm so happy to share my experience about drinking 3 liters of water every day and nearly a gallon. And the first thing is my skin is glowing. Yes guys, my skin is glowing and you can see I did not apply anything on my face, and this is my bare face. This is my bare face. I did not apply anything. I just washed my face with water. That's it. So yes, my skin is glowing and I'm so happy about that. And the second one is I lost 1.3 kgs of weight, guys. Do you believe this? Yes, it's true, and I have a proof. I'll show the first day's weight and I'll show today's weight. I was 55, now I am 53.7, and I'm so happy, guys. And I think last 1 year I'm the same weight, like 55 kilos. I did not drop even a single gram. I did not gain also even a single gram. So it was like 55 kilos. Now today this challenge made my weight lose, and I'm so happy. Third thing is I revealed from my headaches. Every alternative days I get headaches. Whenever I go out I get headache, and I went 2 times. I did not get headache, and this whole week I did not get a headache, and I'm so glad about that. So compared to losing weight and glowing your skin, your health is very important. So my head is not at all aching, and I'm very happy about that. And please trust me. And yeah, that's all about this, guys, and hope you like this video. Please hit like button and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.